What do we have here? We have my arm. We have a box. Look at the girth on that. Where's my arm? Look at that. It's tall. Yeah, I undid it because I just couldn't resist. Put the knife through it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Cover. Oh. Holy. That thing is huge. All right. Pulling her out, pulling her out. All right, there we go. Goodbye, Mr. Box. I'm just gonna let you read it. For those of you slow readers, I'll give you an extra second. All right, there you go. MTM case guard, dude. They are putting out the stuff. A lot of the guns and boxes and ammo boxes. We've done a lot of stuff with MTM case guard. Well, look at this. Gonna do a 360. That is a hefty zip tie too. Holy smokes. I might have to bring in some reinforcements to get that thing open. All right. Let's see if we can do it. Good thing this is an action camera. Oh, she's off. All right. And we have a side one. Don't forget the side ones. Let there be. Why am I? Ugh. All right. Got it. Covered. We've got stickers. Lubrication. Patches. Cloths. Grease. CLP. That grease. Ooh, there's grease. That stuff is greasy. Okay. That's level 1. Level 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Patches. Bore cleaners. Various bore snakes. You know what this is. It's a gun cleaning kit, guys. It's from Otis. Yes. Yes. All right, I'm just gonna break it out to you. This is the Otis Elite Range Box. Take this out to the range with you, and you're cleaning everything. Look at that. Cleaning your guns. You can do this at home. You can do it out on the range. This thing comes with everything. Look. Sets it up. What a cool setup. Dude, Otis. Thank you. Look, see this? That's where you put this dude. We'll figure it out. Look at that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right. Gun goes in there, holds it. I think you get the idea. Dude, Otis, you guys are awesome. I am so stoked to use this. American made, by the way. Get the flare off. Boom. Thanks, Otis Technology, for sending this to us. We are excited to use this. We're going to get a crap load of use out of this. I think I can say those words on the internet, right? Stoked beyond all belief. Thank you, Otis Technologies. Check them out at otistechnologies.com. Rock on.